afternoon guys, Dr. Ashutosh here. Welcome to my channel. Actually now these days I am little bit busy with some counseling related procedures and registration related procedures as well. So my videos are not regularly coming, but I am trying. So today we are talking about NMC bill which is passed for fee related issue of medical as well as dental students. See, in India, there are many discrimination between the dental and medical students as well. But अभी ये जो बिल पास हुआ है, it is specific for MBBS as well as for MD and MS only. डेंटल को उन्होंने इंक्लूड नहीं किया है. बट इफ उन्होंने डेंटल को इंक्लूड किया देन बहुत सारा प्रॉफिट है इसमें. A lot of profit in it for dental student as well. See, first of all in MDS बहुत less seats है. In general category, if you get 150, 200, 250 rank, then it is good for all India quota government seat. But what about for clinical branch? For non-clinical, you can expect it of 400, 500 rank. But what about other students who get also good rank like 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 as well? See, in MD and MS exam, there are lot of seats in government medical college as well as private medical college. They have lot of seats in government college. In every medical college, there are mostly 20-30 seats are there for MD and MS. In fact, they have DNB also in some good hospitals like in Delhi, in UP, in Tamil Nadu and other states as well. But what about dental students? We have only MDS seats, which is more or less than 200 to 300, more than enough it's 400, which contains centralized university, government GDCs, seats as well. PGI Rohtak is also included in it. So, if NMC bill added MDS, then we have lot of profit. First of all, student who secured good rank 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, they will definitely get good college. See, if a student having 1000 or 2000 rank, okay, and they are going for take admission in deemed university as well, but nowadays they are demanding for high fee. For a good clinical branch like OS, Ortho, Endo, you have to pay 15 to 16 lakh per year, which is not affordable for every student as well. Very less student can afford them only. But if NMC bill is passed, then deemed 50% seats as well as private 50% seats are filled through government quota only. Like if you secured 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 rank, then you can get affordable college in 3,44,000 per year, 250 lakh. See, in MD and MS they have some semi-government colleges also, but in MDS we don't have any semi-government college. When NMC will pass for MDS students, then semi-government colleges का path जो है वो भी open हो सकता है for MDS. Second thing is that some student get with a good rank like 300, 400, they opt non-clinical like OP, OMDR, oral public health and dentistry. If NMC bill get passed, they definitely get good clinical branch in semi-government as well as in government quota seats. See, some states for MDS also having government quota seats like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Mumbai, Pondicherry. They have 50% government quota seats in their private institute and 50% fill through the management seats only. See guys, some students say that MD, MS have a lot of fees like 1 crore, 2 crore, so they have to give a 50% government quota seats. But what about MDS? A good MDS college like DY Patil, Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, you have paid 40 to 50 lakh rupees. It doesn't matter you get good rank or bad rank, you have to pay the same fee. they don't give any type of concession in good rank as well. Next thing is that if government pass NMC bill, see, in MDS counseling lots of seats are getting vacant year per year. If NMC bill get passed, then seats were filled easily, means student can take admission and they are affordable. If student are economical poor, means they can't afford 14 lakh 15 lakh seats in D.Y. Patil, in Bharati Vidyapit Pune, in Kalinga University as well. If government NMC bill passed and fee reduced, then they can take admission easily as well. See, if you are SC/ST category, then if you get 5,000 rank, last year 5,000 rank get orthodontics in Government Dental College, Kozhikode. So if you are SC/ST, then you will get, not from All India quota, then definitely from your state quota will get. But what about those states student with जिनके पास गवर्नमेंट MDS सीट्स है ही नहीं, like उत्तराखंड, बिहार, only 2 seats are there in prosthodontics in Patna Dental College. Then what about other students? Bihar generally have I think 5 to 6 private general dental college for BDS, and if we are talking about MDS, then only 2 government seats are there. Patna Dental College having a 40 to 60 BDS capacity, but MDS capacity only 2. MDS in prosthodontics, 1 fill through the All India quota and 1 fill through state quota. वो भी स्टेट में फीमेल कोटा आएगा या फिर OBC कोटा आएगा, जनरल कोटा आएगा, इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन सीट मैट्रिक्स ओनली. सो अदर स्टूडेंट अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते उनका. इफ NMC विल गेट पास, देन स्टूडेंट एटलीस्ट वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स डीम्ड में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं कम पैसे में, और प्राइवेट कॉलेज देख सकते हैं कम पैसे में. सो ये सब हुआ फ़ायदा NMC बिल पास होने का, अगर MDS के लिए उन्होंने पास किया तो. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, जनरली सम स्टूडेंट आस्क मी दैट इफ दे आर टेकिंग प्राइवेट कॉलेज फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट, लाइक इफ यू आर सम ओपन स्टेट्स आर देयर जहाँ पे दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स भी प्राइवेट में काउंसलिंग करा सकते हैं, लाइक यूपी, MP जो होता है वो सेकेंड राउंड की काउंसलिंग से ओपन स्टेट करता है, फर्स्ट राउंड उनकी डोमिसाइल पे बेसिस पे होती है. थर्ड जो है वह कर्नाटका में भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बाकी अगर आप और कॉलेजेस में करेंगे, लाइक पुडुचेरी में करेंगे आप, अभी पुडुचेरी का फॉर्म आया हुआ था, अगर आपको वहाँ मैनेजमेंट कोटा की सीट्स लेनी है, देन आपको मोटो ये है कि अगर आपके पास डोमिसाइल है बिहार का, एंड इफ़ यू आर वांट टू टेक एडमिशन इन ओपन स्टेट लाइक यूपी, ये कर्नाटका, MP के कॉलेजेस में, then you don't require any type of state registration from that state only. आपका अगर बिहार का स्टेट रजिस्ट्रेशन, then you can go for private colleges counseling in UP, कर्नाटका as well. उसके बाद if you are thinking about government seat counseling, then there are 2 criteria. First, you should have domicile of that particular state, or you have to pass out from that state. Suppose if I am belonging from Uttar Pradesh, I can opt for government counseling. But if I am studying in Bihar, मैंने बिहार से BDS किया है, so मुझे डोमिसाइल तो चाहिए ही होगा, साथ साथ यूपी से पढ़ा हुआ होना चाहिए. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट्स है वो उड़ीसा का पढ़ा हुआ है, अगर वो यूपी के गवर्नमेंट में काउंसलिंग कराना चाहता है, तो उसको यूपी के कॉलेज से BDS पास आउट होना नेसेसरी है. ये तो बात हुई इसकी. अब तीसरा इस जो है कि सम स्टूडेंट्स में टेलीग्राम में कि मुझे इतना रैंक है, कैन आई गेट सेमी गवर्नमेंट क्लास A कॉलेज. सी गाइस, सेमी गवर्नमेंट अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं है. जब तक NMC बिल नहीं पास होता है, नो एनी सेमी गवर्नमेंट आते. अगर NMC बिल पास हुआ, फी रिड्यूस होगी, 50% गवर्नमेंट कोटा पे एडमिशन होना स्टार्ट होगा, तो वो आपका सेमी गवर्नमेंट सीट्स होंगे. अदरवाइज नो एनी सेमी गवर्नमेंट. If you are getting rank 600 and I am if anyone getting 10,000 to 12,000 rank, then उसको भी डीम्ड में उतना ही पैसा देना है, उसको भी प्राइवेट में उतना ही पैसा देना है जितना 12,000 वाली रैंक होते हैं. सो नो एनी सेमी गवर्नमेंट राइट नाउ. हाँ, कुछ स्टेट्स हैं जहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो, आपको वहाँ का डोमिसाइल होना चाहिए। लाइक महाराष्ट्र में ले सकते हो, कर्नाटका में ले सकते हो, तमिलनाडु में ले सकते हो, आंध्रा में ले सकते हो, एज वेल एज आप पुडुचेरी में ले सकते हो, जहाँ पे आपको कैटेगरी ए कॉलेज या फिर 50% गवर्नमेंट पे वहाँ पे एडमिशन होता है, फी पे आप वहाँ पे ले सकते हो। गवर्नमेंट ने फी फिक्स किया है, लेकिन जहाँ पे अधिक सीट्स है लाइक यूपी, एमपी, वहाँ के लिए अभी कोई रूल पास नहीं हुआ। तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एज वेल एज शेयर दिस चैनल। I will make video every day.